I will show you how to use Uniswap exchange with Metamask Layer 2 online wallet. Uniswap is a protocol for creating liquidity and trading ERC20 tokens on Ethereum. It eliminates trusted intermediaries and unnecessary forms of rent extraction, allowing for fast, efficient trading. Where it makes trade-offs, decentralization, censorship resistance and security are prioritized. First, you'll need an Ethereum wallet and some ETH. Once completed, head over to the app to start using the protocol to provide liquidity or swap tokens. Remember that each transaction on Ethereum costs ETH. This is called the gas fee and it's paid to miners to keep the network running. Uniswap is an automated liquidity protocol. In practical terms, this means there are template smart contracts that define a standard way to make liquidity pools and corresponding markets that are compatible with each other. There is no order book, no centralized party and no central facilitator of trade. Each pool is defined by a smart contract that includes a few functions to enable swapping tokens, adding liquidity and more. At its core, each pool uses the function xy equals k to maintain a curve along which trades can happen. The pools keep track of reserves, liquidity and updates those reserves every single time someone trades. Because the reserves are automatically rebalanced, a Uniswap pool can always be used to buy or sell a token without requiring a counterparty on the other side of a trade. To find liquidity provider fees, use community-built tools like uniswaporoi.com, zapper.fi/dashboard and Zerion.io. In order to use Uniswap DeFi exchange, you need to sign up for Ethereum Layer 2 crypto wallet like Metamask. Log in to Metamask. Allow Uniswap to access Metamask online wallet. Use Metamask cryptocurrencies to trade or swap different currencies that's supported in Uniswap. I will provide link to Binance and Uniswap crypto exchange link below. Please subscribe and hit the like button to let YouTube search gods know about this video. Happy crypto!